Animals names. जानवरों के नाम. Cow. Cow means गाय. Dog. Dog means कुत्ता. Cat. Cat means बिल्ली. Goat. Goat means बकरी. Horse. Horse means घोड़ा. Donkey. Donkey means गधा. Lion. Lion means शेर. Deer. Deer means हिरन. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means hippopotamus. Monkey. Monkey means बंदर. Bear. Bear means reach. Elephant. Elephant means happy. Tiger. Tiger means cheetah. Kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Fox. Fox means lomड़ी. Rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. Wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. Sheep. Sheep means भेड़. Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Camel. Camel means ऊंट. Panda. Panda means panda. Dinosaur. Dinosaur means dinosaur. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means rhino. Gorilla. Gorilla means gorilla. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button.